behind Adobe Plaza, taking a little walk. People with the mobile home, your stuff is still up on your table. There's a water main leak. All the teepee cabins got knocked into each other. Water is flowing pretty good right now, and it's clouding up to rain. I will probably take my commentary out of this, but you never know. Y'all, this is just crazy. And we're about to get hit again, I think. This is, I don't know. I'll have to figure out what time it is in a minute. I don't know. Oh gosh, y'all. I don't know if I can get over there to see that or not. Your deck stayed, but your steps are gone. And these poor buggers don't have anything left. I'm not getting in that mud. Oh, I'm not. I'll just look at all the stuff that hit the back of that house. Look at all that. I'm sorry for you, whoever owns that house. I don't think I can get to the front. Maybe I can. It's got some of that slick, weird mud over here that I don't want to get into. Let's put it this way. Somebody's windshield or something. I don't know that I want to jump that fence, y'all. I might, though. Continue on my journey. I did jump that little wall right there. That whole big giant wall right there. I jumped it. Impressive, huh? Okay. People with this beautiful house. I'm so sorry. Oh man, look at that. Sorry, y'all. Oh my God. Oh my God. Your house was beautiful. Maybe should I keep going? I don't know. It's getting pretty muddy down here. Nope, I don't want to step on that. Let's go over to here. Okay. I feel like they still had something on. I can hear a beeping or electric or something. Oh shit, what is that? You're gonna fall out and get me.